of showers this afternoon. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south after midnight.
Up, wrong way.
Wave detail, southwest 1 foot.
Sorry about that. Trying to turn the volume down, I turned it up. Let's see, where am I? Oh, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I have another emergency radio for you. I can't emphasize enough that you should have an emergency radio. And what do I mean by an emergency radio? I mean a radio that has a rechargeable battery, has NOAA, AM and FM, a light, and is very portable. And this radio meets those requirements. It's not the best one, but it's very inexpensive. It's $21 on Amazon, sold by DEX, DEX Scout on Amazon. Couple of things don't like about this. One is the labeling. Now, if I get the light just right, I can read it, but these are very hard. The labels are very hard to read. They're gray. They should be white. What are people thinking? They should be white. Anyway, no big deal. On this side, we have two different lights. Two different lights. And carrying strap. And a pretty much useless compass. Solar charging panel, very small. It does work, but not fantastic. A reading lamp, which I can get up here, which I thought came on when you opened it, but apparently it doesn't. So you have to push a button. Let's go over the controls here. We've got power mode, and it does do Bluetooth, and it does MP3 playing. $21, you get a lot of functions. Now let me go on here. Time, preset stations that it does do ATS, scan, set alerts, NOAA alerts, that's nice. Volume up and down, tune up and down. Over here we have the ports. Charging ports are behind here. Both charging the internal battery and using the internal battery to charge like your cell phone. Headphone jack. Cover this up to keep it water out. These are the controls for the lights and to turn on SOS siren. You don't want to do that right now. You can have external batteries. Get this out of my way. If I can get my finger down in there. There you go. 3 AAA batteries. So you get those two sources of batteries, the internal and the AAA batteries. Crank charge. That's nice. Like I say, the lights there. Another not too good. The telescopic antenna is only about 12 inches. Therefore, its reception is not fantastic. I was able to get about 20 FM stations, which I normally get about 30-something. I got about 10, 15 AM stations. I usually get about 20 on a radio like this with a longer telescopic antenna. But it's okay. And I don't know, to be honest with you, what a stupid phrase, to be honest with you. Like I have been lying to you all along. Anyway, I like the radio. It's not fantastic, but I like it. Let me look at my notes here. It has a 2,000 milliamp battery. No, 10,000, 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery. The lights have 3 modes: flashlight, reading light, and a bright spotlight. What else do they tell you? I think it's about it. Yeah, not a bad radio. Again, you can get this off of Amazon for $21. It's sold by DEX, D-E-X, DEX Scout. Should I put it at my Amazon store? It's not a bad radio. It's just not fantastic. And yeah, some of the things I point out, which were kind of nits, like the labeling, that's you'll quickly get used to what button is what. The biggest drawback is the short telescopic antenna. Now you could clip on a wire antenna, but that's very inconvenient, especially if you're having bad weather and you can't see very well. Let me see if I can get the reading light. Now there's that one. Boy, that is bright. There's a lower setting. There it is. Whoa, that is bright. Now, that doesn't help reading this. Matter of fact, it makes it worse. So let's turn that off. A couple of settings there. Not bad. What do you think? Do you have I'm going to ask a question. Do you have what I call emergency radio? Number one, it's got NOAA weather on it. Do you have one? Put that in the comments. I was just curious. And if you don't have one, put it in the comments. No, I haven't gotten one. No, I don't think I need one. Put that in the comments. I want to hear from you. Does not, oh boy. I was thinking, oh boy, my memory's going away. No, I was thinking of another radio then. I was thinking this had an MP3 player, but it does not. I was thinking of a different radio. I'm sorry. Sorry for the confusion. I just knocked over my sign. My good friend Mike makes these signs for me. Oh, it comes with a nice silk carrying pouch, charging cable, and a halfway decent manual. Yeah, I was amazed at this pretty decent manual. Oh, and it's shortwave. Shortwave? Yeah, it's shortwave. I forgot about, oh boy, it's not my day. I forgot about shortwave. It has shortwave. It goes from 3.2 megahertz to 22 megahertz. You're not going to receive anything on shortwave on this little tiny thing unless you live close to a shortwave transmitter. So, let me go back, correct myself. Shortwave, AM, FM, and weather band. That's it. Boy, if I confuse myself, and I probably confused you, I appreciate you coming by and watching my antics. And I got another radio coming from Prunus. I just got it in late last night. It's a fantastic little portable radio. I want to thank Prunus for sending me that. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells me that I'm not wasting your time, which I could be wasting your time, but it's important. It's very important to get a emergency radio. Yes. Oh, can you believe the storms we've been having in Florida? I mean, in United States, in the heat in France. Oh my gosh. Whoa, the gods are angry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. I think I said that. Have a great day anyway. Bye-bye.